This is not legal advice. I'm just sharing hacks and strategies I've personally used and studied. Use at your own risk and always do your own research before applying any of it. Your credit score might be leaking points every single month, and you don't even know it. The culprits? Inquiries. They look small, but stack up 10 or 15, and suddenly you're locked out of approvals. But what if I told you there's a way to wipe them out, sometimes on the same phone call? Section 1. The Inquiry Trap. Hard inquiries cost you 2 to 5 points each. Lenders see too many as a red flag for credit desperation. What they don't tell you, under FCRA, inquiries only stand if they're tied to an account you opened or if they had permissible purpose. Translation: if it's not attached to an active account, you can challenge it and get it deleted. Section 2. The Fast Track Inquiry Removal Hack. Step 1. Call Experian or TransUnion. Equifax is hit or miss, but worth a try. Step 2. Ask the rep, transfer me to the fraud department. If they say, this is the fraud department, tell them straight, I was reviewing my credit report and found unauthorized inquiries. I need them removed immediately. They'll ask which ones. If an inquiry is tied to an account, it stays. But standalone ones, they can delete right there. Step 3. The pushback trick. Sometimes they'll ask, have you filed a police report or an FTC report? You reply, yes. I actually filed it 3 to 4 weeks ago and I've been waiting for a response, but nothing has come back yet. That keeps the momentum on your side. Backup method. If TransUnion drags their feet, send a certified letter demanding removal. Certified forces a paper trail and makes them act faster. The combo strategy, phone for Experian TU, certified letter for Equifax, is the fastest way to clear your file. Section 3. Utilization Ninja Trick. Deleting inquiries gets you some points, but utilization is where the big lift happens. Forget under 30% or even under 9%. The real sweet spot is under 5%. If you can't pay everything off, use these hacks. Ask for a credit line increase without a hard pull. Instantly drops your utilization percent. Transfer balances to a 0% APR card. Resets ratios while buying time. Pay your card 2 to 3 days before the statement date, not the due date. That's the balance that reports to the bureaus. Section 4. Story plus combo boost. I had a client sitting on 14 inquiries and maxed cards. We called Experian, wiped 6 right there. Sent a certified letter to TU, 3 more gone in a week. Then hit a credit limit increase, dropping utilization from 88% down to 12%. Result? 94-point jump in just 32 days. That's the power of pairing inquiry removals with under 5% utilization. If you want to start controlling your credit instead of the bureaus controlling you, start here. Call the fraud department and cut your utilization under 5%. I'll leave sample inquiry dispute letters in the description, plus a cheat sheet for timing your payments. And for those who want the advanced playbook with backdating tricks and CFPB strategies, that's available too. Remember, credit is leverage, and when you master it, the game changes forever. Smash that like and subscribe. It's free, and it keeps the hacks flowing for all of us chasing financial freedom in 2025.